While loops continue to do something repeatedly until a certain criteria is met. For example, here in IPython we can make a while loop print x as long as x is greater than 0. We write while, then our statement followed by a colon. Inside I'm going to update x with x minus equals 1. We can also do this with a straight up Boolean value. Say z is 5 and y is true. We type while y, colon, and then inside we print z, update z, and do an if statement to see if we need to change y to false. Because this check is done inside the loop, we end up printing 0 before we break. While loops are great tools for when you want to do something, but you don't know how many iterations the code is going to need to do it. Just run it until the criteria is met. Be careful not to create an endless while loop. Here, I just type while true and print out a random 1 or 0. Because we have no update in this while loop, it will never end. So you can see endless 1s and 0s printing forever on the page. I wonder if this binary code means anything. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please click subscribe. Here are 2 other videos that I think you'll enjoy.